Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got a beautiful mechanical marvel right here. This is a 1958 Ford Fairlane 500 Skyliner. This is a retractable hardtop that will come out of the trunk, all with one switch. We'll demonstrate that towards the end of this video. Body off the frame, rotisserie restored. Look at the pictures online underneath this car. You could eat off the bottom. 352 Interceptor motor, power steering, power brakes. It's beautiful. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can look at those pictures, read the information, and you'll find a price tag on every car we sell, along with a monthly finance option as well at volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure you click on that bell icon, because that's how you're going to be notified when the new ones are posted. But for right now, the top is down. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, underneath is just gorgeous. Body was off the frame, was flipped on its side. The whole underbody looks to be really clean metal. The floors, the braces, the rockers, and it was all painted this yellow. It's just as smooth and glossy underneath the car. It is from North Carolina. It appears to be really solid. The entire chassis was rebuilt. The frame is black. The front end components, all of it, the bushings, ball joints, springs, shocks, all redone. All the steering components, the power steering control valve, all of it looks like new. It's all detailed. Same thing in the back, the shocks, the bushings, that's all been replaced. It has a dual exhaust system, a correct dual exhaust. These are fake tips. It doesn't come out through here. It's actually diverted downwards so you don't get all the soot all over the chrome. But it's a dual exhaust with Ford mufflers. It says FOMOCO, Ford Motor Company, on the mufflers. I don't even know where they got those. Brake system's been redone. It's drum brakes. All the brake lines, hoses, even the emergency brake assembly, all looks new. Fuel tank, fuel system, that looks like it's been replaced. You look up at the bottom of the motor, it's spotless. The starter looks fresh. Has the Ford-O-Matic automatic transmission, also clean and fresh. I believe it's the original one for the car because it has the tag still on it, which matches up to this car. The rear end looks like it's been apart and restored. It's detailed on the outside. The bolts have been off, so someone did restore the rear end as well. So under the car, it looks practically brand new. The body's amazing as well. I've already inspected this one, and it is laser beam straight. These are long panels. The lower half is black, and it is straight. There are no bubbles, no issues, no problem areas where something funny is happening. All of this is pristine, square, flush. All this metal is just fantastic. You got the big long trunk, little tail fins right here. There is a chip on the inside edge of the jamb right here. But the body itself I'm looking at, no issues. There's a little chip, a touch-up on the inside edge right there. No rust, no bubbles, no damage. The body is absolutely straight. The doors fit beautifully. Beautiful color combination. You don't see this. You see black, you see red and white, blue. This is a sharp looking, outstanding color combination, and it's polished like glass. I mean, literally, it's smooth and shiny. I think they replaced all of the exterior chrome and trim. Even the vent window frame looks new. Of course, the mirrors, all the trim around the windshield. It's rubbed a little bit on top. You're going to get that. The side moldings with the gold anodized inserts, the little medallions up here, all the front bumper and grille, and all this trim is all beautiful. It has optional stone shields with the rocker moldings. The correct antenna looks new. Reproduction BFG Silvertown white wall tires. The rims were painted. The hubcaps look like they're new. Door handles, all this is mint condition. Coming around the back, the rear bumper is re-chromed. It's fine. There's show quality chrome where it's just literally a mirror. This has a little bit of fuzziness. So the re-chromed or reproduction bumper is very nice, but not show quality. Tail lights are in beautiful shape. So let's open it up, show you the engine, and show you what's inside. Now, how cool is this? This is like a Transformers car right here. We're going to demonstrate the operation of the top, but I wanted to open it and show you what it looks like inside. This is a very nice compartment compared to a lot of the others I've looked at. Looks like it is clean metal that was prepped and painted yellow. It has the gray and white plaid liner kit. And then this tub in the middle, that's where you put your stuff so it doesn't get crushed. That's where you put your groceries or whatever it may be. When the top is down, nothing will get harmed in there. And then there's a lid that lifts up, and that's where you would store a spare tire and the jack. But even the bottom of the trunk lid and the cables and all the components, all that looks to be in really nice shape. People will stop and they will watch this perform its from going up to down and folding. It actually screws to the windshield all with one switch. People will stop and watch this. It's a very interesting process. Impressive. So the door jambs are painted real nice, and they're clean, and the latches are clean, and the weather strips and sill plates were replaced. Door panels are excellent. The handles, the armrests, the metal trim is repainted black. The whole dash area is beautiful. It has an optional padded dash, and it looks like all this is replaced. The instruments, this chrome all the way across, looks like new. The radio, the heater controls the clock, the knobs all match. Everything's really nice. The black was repainted. New glove box liner, it's all painted, and the screws are new. Got new visors. The original steering wheel was repainted. There was a scratch on the back side over here, probably rubbed somebody's belt buckle or something. But very nice. Down on the floor, we got new carpet. The seats have been rebuilt. They're nice and firm. The cushion, the springs are real nice. Two-tone correct upholstery. And in the back, it's just as nice. It's all painted, upholstered, all looks really good. And then underneath the top, you can see the white perforated headliner is in excellent shape. All the trim's painted. The interior light works. This is the best of both worlds. You have a convertible, and then when the top is up, it's like you're in an enclosed car. You don't have the wind leaks, and it's best of both worlds, a hardtop and a convertible all in one. And the Ford Fairlane was the only car to ever offer this. It was not available by Chevy or Buick or anyone else, and it was only on the Ford Fairlanes and Galaxies. So we're looking at a beautifully restored motor compartment. That is the 352 Interceptor. I verified that with the casting numbers on the block. That comes with the 4-barrel and dual exhaust. All the components look to be restored, and they look proper. The correct valve covers, air cleaner, manifolds, the distributor, the over on this side, the choke, the heat riser tube going to the carburetor is wrapped in cloth, and just everything's really nice. It has power steering. The power brakes is actually hidden up under the dash on these cars. And all the metal surfaces are painted real nice. So show quality in my opinion. Tell you what, this car right here is free. In today's times especially, it's $100,000 to do a restoration like this. This is where they start at. We're asking far less than that for a finished car that's done, ready to go right now. It's fresh. Impressive is the word that comes to mind too. How can you not be impressed by the quality, the looks, and then the function? Again, people love that top. It's a really cool thing as a conversation starter. It's neat. Guarantee anytime you run that top, anyone around will stop and they'll watch. So anyway, there's my impression. Go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman. They'll answer your questions. They can help get this delivered to your garage. They can help you finance it at volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe and click on that bell icon so you're notified when the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.